Hello everyone! Today we're going shopping at Maxima, the biggest supermarket chain in Lithuania. But this isn't just any shopping trip. We're going to learn useful Lithuanian words for everyday items, and I'll show you some traditional Lithuanian treats you don't want to miss. First things first, prekybos centras. That's a shopping center. Darbo laikas means opening hours. And here it's from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Nuo 7 iki 22 valandos. You can either have a choice of a shopping trolley, vežimėlis, or a basket, krepšelis. Right away you'll see signs for akcija, which means promotion. This week it's all about school supplies. Nearby you'll find books, knygos, magazines, žurnalai, and even flowers, gėlės, toilet paper, tualetinis popierius, a frying pan, keptuvė, pot, puodas, dishes, indai, soap, muilas, shampoo, šampūnas. Now let's look at vegetables, which are called daržovės. A tomato or tomato is pomidoras. A cucumber is agurkas. A carrot, morka. An onion, svogūnas. And of course, the ultimate Lithuanian staple is a potato, bulvė. And let's take a look at what we have in the fruit section. Fruit, vaisiai. A banana is bananas. A pear is kriaušė. And an apple is obuolys. Let's talk about bread. Juoda duona is super traditional. Balta duona, white bread. Or batonas are also very popular. What else we may need today? Eggs, kiaušiniai, pasta, makaronai. Rice is ryžiai. And we have a huge selection of buckwheat here, grikiai. What shall we have for breakfast? Oatmeal or porridge is avižiniai dribsniai. Cereal is sausi pusryčiai, which means dry breakfast. Tomato sauce or tomato sauce is pomidorų padažas. This one is a very popular brand. And oil is aliejus. Meat is mėsa. Dešra means a sausage. And ham is kumpis. And over here we have fish, žuvis. A classic Lithuanian fish is herring, silke. Sweets and treats. Over here we have cookies and biscuits, sausainiai. If you love traditional desserts, you must try šakotis, tree cake. This beauty takes hours to bake and is served at weddings and major celebrations. Of course, needless to say, it is quite expensive. As a kid, I loved riestainiai. They remind me of bagels, but they look much more fun. And here is a smaller version of them. And over here I have cookies gaidelis. Gaidelis means a little rooster. This is an iconic Lithuanian cookies brand, which has been around since 1970s. Chocolates, šokoladiniai saldainiai. Just look at those beautiful chocolate boxes. And over here we have a bakery section. A generic name for a sweet or savory bun is bandalė. And if you fancy a cake, it's called tortas. Over here we have dairy products. I'd highly recommend trying a very traditional varškės sūris, which means curd cheese. Milk, pienas. Kefir, kefyras. Butter, sviestas. Curd, varškė. And yogurt, jogurtas. This is probably the most exciting dairy section. Kids and adults love sūrelis, sweet curds covered in chocolate, and they come in various flavors. Ice cream is ledai. Would you like a drink? Kava means coffee. Arbata is tea. Vanduo is water. Mineralinis vanduo, mineral water. Very popular Lithuanian brands for mineral water are Vytautas and Birutė. Another classic is gira. And of course, alus, beer, is very popular too. And finally, it's time to pay. A till is kasa. But today I'm using self-service, savitarna. You can pay grynais, in cash, or kortele, by card. And don't forget your receipt, kvitas. Thanks for shopping with me today. I hope you enjoyed learning useful Lithuanian words for everyday items. Ačiū ir iki.